In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Calendly account. Calendly is a simple scheduling tool that saves you from back and forth emails. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a new account ready to go, connected to your Google Calendar, so events can be booked without conflicts. Start by opening your web browser and going to calendly.com. Make sure you're on the official site. You should see the Calendly branding and a clean homepage focused on scheduling links. If you ended up on a search page, click the official result to avoid any lookalike sites. On the homepage, look for the Get Started button, typically located near the top right or prominently on the page. Click it to begin the sign-up process. Calendly may update the design from time to time, but you're looking for the option that begins creating a new account. On the sign-up screen, select Continue with Google. This is the fastest way to create your account, and it also lets Calendly check your availability through Google Calendar. That means when people book time with you, Calendly can automatically prevent double bookings. A Google window will appear with a list of accounts. Choose the Gmail or Google Workspace account you want to use with Calendly. If you manage multiple calendars, pick the one that reflects your primary schedule. Tip: if you don't see your desired account, you can add it by selecting the option to use another account. Next, you'll see a brief permissions screen. Click Continue to approve access. You're allowing Calendly to read your calendar so it can show accurate availability and add events when someone schedules with you. Take a moment to review the permissions if you'd like. This is standard for apps that integrate with Google Calendar. After confirming, Calendly will finalize your setup. In just a moment, your account is created. You should land in your new Calendly workspace or dashboard. From here, you might see a short onboarding flow. Things like confirming your time zone, your default meeting link, or basic preferences. You can follow those prompts right away or return to them later. The key point is that your account now exists and is linked to your Google Calendar. If something didn't load, check that your browser isn't blocking pop-ups and that you're signed into the correct Google account. Refreshing the page or trying an incognito window can help resolve cached login quirks. That's it. Your Calendly account is ready. In upcoming videos, we'll cover customizing your scheduling link, setting event types, and sharing your booking page. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.